Good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, good day, sir and ma'am. I am Dessa Asiga. I am 28 years old. I am a high school graduate. And I am single, but I have a child. He is a boy, and he is a 6 years old. I have 8 brothers, and I have 6 sisters.
Okay, tell me about your working experience as a domestic helper.
I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines in last January 2020 to February 2022.
How many helpers in the house?
Only me.
Did you renew your contract?
No, because I want to expand my experience as a domestic helper in another country.
What will you do in the house start from the morning?
First, ma'am, I will fix myself and I will prepare the food to my employer. And after, I clean the house, including the walls and the windows, washing clothes, ironing, and sometimes I wash the car.
Why do you want work in Hong Kong?
To earn money and give some money to my family to support them financial needs and to prove that I am to prove that I want to be a good household worker in abroad.
How can you manage your homesick?
Homesick is natural, but I will make sure that I will control my homesick.
Tell me about your experience in taking care of newly born baby.
In my own experience as a mom, I am the one who look after the baby. I do feeding, changing clothes, changing diapers, and prepare vitamins and sterilize the bottles.
What will you do if the baby has a fever?
First, I will check the temperature using the thermometer, and after that, I will call my employer to inform them what happened to the baby.
Do you have experience of taking care of elderly?
No, but I treat elderly like my own parents, and I will follow all orders, and I always give respect to them every time I talk to them.
Can you promise not to break your 2 years contract, and how could you manage it?
Yes, I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract, and I can manage it by showing a positive attitude to my employer, and I promise that I will finish whatever commitment signed with them.
Can you sing a song like nursery rhymes?
Yes, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, tell me about your cooking experience.
It's just it's like a simple Filipino food like adobo, fried rice, bihon. But I am willing to learn any kind of dishes to serve my employer properly.
Okay, tell me what time do you sleep at night and what do you do before sleeping?
I sleep at night as long as I finish the house duties, and I sleep and I will go to sleep and I sleep. Before I sleep, I will check all the windows and doors are properly locked and off.
Give me any messages for your future employer.
Hi, Ma'am and Sir. I am Dessa Asiga. Please chosen me as your domestic helper. I promise that I am hardworking, patient, and honest and trustworthy person. God bless.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you and have a nice day.